Так дайте пацанам посчитать потери. Сумма нули погибает на сцене. Снова один, прогуляюсь без тени. Заливаю один поцелуй на шее. Как дамба, правда назад, черный как стад. Вижу твой взгляд, степ на гаяре.
What up, guys? We're rolling on the Hyper. Looks like we need gas. I don't know if we'll make it to the gas station or not. How many miles we got? 12 miles? Yeah, we might make it. Going on a Thursday night ride with the Ducati crew. Should be a bunch of all kinds of Ducatis, B4s, Hypermotors, Multistradas. Should be a blast. Anyway, I don't know if y'all can hear me or not, but this is the first time I put the mic in it. Also, I cut the wire short on this mic. It had so much wire on it, so I cut it short and rewired it. So it might not even be working. We'll find out when we play it back. Beautiful day today, Houston, Texas. We're jamming. Listening to some Mercules on the Cardo system. Got it going on. If only we didn't have all this traffic. So much traffic. Maybe we need to go slow anyway so we don't run out of gas. I don't know how long the light's been on. I just noticed. Oh look, 3 miles. Isn't that fancy? Anyway, if this works and it gets some plays on YouTube, I might do it more often. I do a lot of Thursday night rides and Sunday rides. Sunday rides are fun. Back roads, a little bit of curves, a bunch of wheelies. This Thursday night ride's a little more chill. But everything's content, right? If y'all's new to Hypermotors, these things don't get much fuel mileage. I think I get about 100 miles to a gallon. I mean, I'm sorry, 100 miles to a tank. 100 miles a gallon, that'd be amazing, wouldn't it? 100 miles to a tank. Sometimes. But for y'all that are interested, this is a 2024 Hypermoto. Got it. 950 SP. Very comfortable seating position. Carves the corners really well. And wheelies everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful day. far, it looks like we went about 9 miles with the light on. We got another 5 miles to go. I think we'll be good. Hopefully. Find out. Downtown Houston. Look at that view. Anyway, if y'all's from Houston, show some love. Hit that subscribe button. Like the video. You know. Show love to the city. Traffic, traffic, traffic. Need to get some exhaust on this thing. I ordered some exhaust about, I guess it's been about 4 weeks now. It's on back order. It said 5 weeks. Ordered the SC Project dual carbon pipes with the cat delete. So I'll be real excited for that to show up. This thing's real quiet. It's gonna sound good and wake it up a little bit. I can't wait for that to show up. Might do a little install video on it. And that black Mercedes. Exiting Kirby Drive, we're heading out to Fellini Coffee. Thursday night rides, we meet up, have some coffee, shoot the shit for a little bit, then we go for a little ride, hit the Flowers out in Houston, and after that we go get dinner, head home. These Cardos has these JBL speakers, man, they're really good. I had the Cena, the old Cena 20S, and I could barely hear that thing on the highway. I ended up buying a new helmet too, so we got a Shoei RF 1400, supposed to be a lot quieter. I always ran a Rise, but I used to race. The Rise are real noisy. go. Gonna hit up this Shell gas station right up here on the left. Fill her up and be ready for the ride. Nice. We already got a car up there sitting at the light too, so we should make it. For any of y'all that ride bikes, I know most of the time the bikes won't set off these turn signals, so you're sitting here until a car comes or until you run it. Red light, green light, let's go. Oh, looks like we made it. We put 13 miles on it with the light on. Took it pretty easy though. I know on my bigger bikes, most of the time I could go at least 30 miles with the light on, but this thing, I only get 100 miles of the tank. I doubt it'd make it that far. If any of y'all had a hyper and you know how many miles it takes before it runs out of fuel, put it in the comments. Then I know how far y'all watched. It's a pretty nice cruiser right there. Oh, we still didn't get the green light. There we go. Remove nozzle, select grade. Let's go with 93. So on E, 3.2 gallons. I think it only has a 3.5 gallon tank. So it was down there. Gas 409 here, so it costs $13 to fill her up. But we're good to go now. Receipt, no thanks. Alright. Let's get to the meat spot. Might not be many people there yet. It starts at 7:30. It's 7:36 now. Our service light's on. 600-mile service is due. But I changed the oil twice already myself, so Just need to have them reset the light. This thing sounds pretty good stop. I can't wait till I get the exhaust on it. These potholes here are gnarly. There's a big one somewhere. Oh, there it is right there. Look at that crater. Another one right there. Another one right there. Another one right there. Another one right there. Oh, I got a couple bikes there. Or is that one? I can't really see from here. At least one. Oh, there's a couple there.